stepping down under pressure in 2008.
These are stiffeners for the elevators.
Which resulted in negative political repercussions. I take this opportunity to sincerely apologize to the whole nation for those wrong decisions. Even so, Musharraf insisted only he had the experience to fight Al-Qaeda, the Taliban, and the threat of extremism. Hours earlier, Al-Qaeda's leader in hiding, Osama bin Laden, issued a new audio message directed at Pakistan. It called for new efforts to help Muslims affected by war and natural disasters. Catastrophic flooding in Pakistan has generated widespread anger over the government's response. The president of Ecuador, Rafael Correa, reasserted his power today after violent protests by police. The revolt centered on frozen promotions and bonus cuts, but Correa said it was a coup attempt. At one point, he was roughed up and tear gassed in Churubusco's